Been asked by various people for a walkthrough through my workshop to see everything. So this is the view out the front door of our workshop. We're right on the main highway, as you can see. Of course, we've got the forklift here, which is a necessary evil for loading my blanks in. Big radial arm saw, table saw there. Tormek, washroom and toilet, storage cupboards. My bandsaw, 3/8 skip tooth is the only blade that I generally use. The door into the tool room and storage with screws and everything like that. Then we go up to the overhead gantry up here, which runs the full length of the workshop, right along the top. Coming back again, our heater, which is a necessary evil in winter time because it gets bloody cold in here. 16 CFM compressor for running the air tools and everything. That's the extra tailstock on the end of Henry. And this is Henry. All 40 feet of it. Right down to the headstock down here. Somebody timed it once, it takes 15 seconds to walk the distance. Switch gear for it. One of the tool racks. More tools and stuff stored in there. Little wood fast here. Great little lathe. Then of course we get to Reg, the big Wadkin, which stretches out here. The RU. And there's a headstock and everything on it, tailstock, as you can see. The second one of the Holy Trinity is Angus. That's an RS 6. I would have liked the 8, but the 6 was the only one that I could get, so that'll have to do. And then these are the student lathes here. The Wadkin Vers green there, for Walter. Then there's Terry Technitool there, TL3000. Sam, the Stealth, Woodworking Solutions lathe. Another grinder for general purpose steel work. Just fitted with a normal wheel and a wire wheel. And the big sanding bench there. Big disc sander and belt sander. My main grinding station is there, fitted with a Blue Max on the left and an 80 grit CVN wheel on the right. So that pretty well sums up the workshop. Bye.